SNA Sort 7 Plural Endings. We were just finishing up with the endings of ed and ing. This time we're going to be talking about how we add s or es to the end of the words to make it plural, which means that it has more than one. So we are going to look carefully at the base word and see if it's adding s or es. Like this word here is really horse, the base word's horse, and all I do is add an s on, even though it really looks like an es. Brushes adds es. Voices adds just s. Branches. Splashes. Mixes. Places. Oh, see that one? Here's the base word, and then we're adding s. Changes. Peaches. Scratches. Kisses like Hershey's Kisses. Foxes. Guesses. Ditches. Leashes. Clothes. This one even sounds a little bit funny. Cloth and clothes. Well, is clothes really an oddball of a cloth? Not really. So that's your oddball. Classes. Churches. Benches. Sketches. Ashes. Crashes. Speeches. And watches. Okay, so we ended up with a lot of words for es, and that's because we're really exploring another topic. Most words you actually do just add s to the end of. So, but there are some interesting things here with whenever you add es. Whenever you have es, actually it adds a whole another syllable onto the end of the word. Did you notice that? We have scratch, as, peach, as. There's 2 syllables there. Now let us sort again what we have here. Let's look at the thing that happens right before the es. I see a ch, an sh, there's an sh. Well, here is an s, a ch, okay, ch, sh, ch. Oh, here's another kind, an x. So x, h, sh. You see what I'm doing? I'm looking at what comes right before the es. We have ch. Do you remember the sound of ch? I go like this. Ch, 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 chop. All right, we have a tch, another tch, ch, sh, s, x, s, and ch. I want to say just something about the tch words too. All right. So what we have here, we find out that es is added to words that end with sh, ch, s, or x. Remember that the x sound really has an s in it. It's really like a ks, ks, fox, ks, ks. You can't just like add another s to the end of that. So you need to put in the es to add a little bit of distinction. Leash. How could you even say this by just putting another s? Leash. It really doesn't work, so that's why you have to add an e. Let's see what this sounds like. Branch. Chus. Chus. You can't really say it. You have to add in that extra sound. So if it ends with sh, ch, s, or x, you're going to add es and not just an s. And real quick, before we go, take a look at these words right here. How do you know when to add tch and add ch to the end of a word? Because they really make the same sound. This is a sort from actually a whole different book. Sketch, speech, peach, benches, churches, branches. These have something different going on than all of these do. Sketches, scratches, watches, ditches. What do you notice about these 4 words? that's different than the others. Something about the vowel. Okay, if it's a short vowel and then you hear the ch sound right after the short vowel, nothing in between, then you spell it with a TCH. If it's a long vowel like we have right here, speech, beach, that's long. This is a sign for long. Here's a sign for short. You just spell it with CH. Peach, that's also long. What's happening here is we do have a short E, but there's another consonant right there. So that one's also spelled with CH. Same thing right here. Well, sort of, but this is an R control. And then right here too, you have another consonant in between the vowel and the ch. So you spell it with the TCH if you have a short vowel right before the ch sound. All right. Now, when you go to do your sort record, make sure you write down a specific thing that you learn in this sort and the name of the sort.